Well, we were going to do pictures, but we figured we would just show you the end result. See how the red comes through? That's normal. It's beautiful. Mommy did beautiful. Now, it hasn't cooled completely.
No.
We're going to cut it.
We're not going to put nothing on it because it's...
Let me cut it.
Let you cut it.
Well, you can cut it, but you usually say for me to. You want to give me a pan to put these on for my...
Oh, to take with you.
Yeah. I want to show you how pretty the ruby slipper turns out to be. I'm doing this one-handed, so... Now, you can imagine if you had icing on it, a glaze of some kind. But it's a beautiful cake.
I don't know what happened to it.
Anything will do, Mama. Let's just, so I can get it up here.
Well, I don't know what to get for you.
A regular old plate will be fine.
Regular old plate.
See how pretty it is? That's those two layers. Makes for a beautiful, beautiful cake. I'll lay that right there so you can see it good. Seeing how it's gelled in the inside, the flavor is delicious. Well, that's appropriate. Bright red cake for bright. You got paper doily, since I'm taking it. Bright red plate for a bright red ruby slipper cake. Now this is still warm. And it's so good. And it's easy. Y'all seen how easy it was to make. And there is the other side. See, it's all swirled. It is a beautiful presentation. And it's beautiful for any holiday or get together. Anytime you're entertaining folks, it's a great little pull it out and take it somewhere. Okay. Mama's getting a little paper doily. This makes a big difference when you have when you're doing a cake.
It's a little one. Wait just a second.
When you're doing a cake, these you can get at Walmart or anywhere. Mama, I think you got 3 or 4 here.
Okay, this is one.
Okay, see there, that red plate with that doily. I just washed my hands, so I'm just going to put the cake out on the plate. Just like that. And it'll make a wonderful little dessert. So that's it, folks. That's the rest of the ruby red slipper. Mama, here, I'm going to let you finish this because I am one-handed with this camera.
Okay.
I didn't take time to put it on the tripod. Makes a great presentation. One thing you can do with these, I've done it in the past, is you can cover them in icing, cut them like this, cover them in icing, and have for it to get together so everybody has their own little iced piece. Makes it good. You're not doing as good as I was, Mom.
I know it. I should turn it back over to you.
Oh. It looks wonderful. And that'll make it a great little presentation.
I think I got the wrong knife.
Same one I was using.
I mean, to cut it with.
There it is. The ruby red slipper cake. You can use it with any kind, but see how it kind of swirls down? It just makes a beautiful cake. And it looks like a lot of work, but it's really, really quite simple. So there it is. I thought that'd be better than a picture in the comments. Thank y'all for joining us back in this. We've done more part 2s in the past little bit than we ever have. So what do you say about it, Mama? You happy with your outcome?
Yeah, if you're pleased to take it with you.
I'm always pleased, Mama. Y'all have a good one, and I'm off to my gathering, and I'm bringing some cake and some Mama's homemade pimento cheese. Say good night, Mama.
Good night, Mama. God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Y'all have a good one. Bye.